How to reset Somachine back to factory defaults. Old projects and the recent projects, maybe you want to delete those. Program widgets are laid out incorrectly and you want to return them all back to factory settings. Navigate to your C drive. Locate the program data folder. Locate the Somachine software folder. Locate your version folder. In the version folder, you're going to find files that were time-stamped from the last time you opened Somachine. So here's today's date when I just launched it. So this file, this one, and this one. Delete them all. Navigate back to the C drive. Go to the users folder. Go to your login folder, the app data folder, and into the roaming folder. There's a Somachine software folder in there. The version folder. There are 2 files in there that are time-stamped from today, from when I opened Somachine. I'm going to highlight and delete both of those. When I launch Somachine now, it's going to be back at factory defaults. There are no recent projects, and if I do open a project, let's grab a project here. The screen layout, all the widgets are returned back to the way they would be when the software is initially installed, so they're back to factory defaults. Delete those files and it will reset Somachine.